There's supposed to be a tap, but my tap isn't.
So this is the trickle charger. Part of owning a bike during the winter, before you put your bike in the garage or before you park it for a long period of time, you need to change the oil. In my case, I also warming up my bike on the winter every now and then, once a week. I average once a week when the weather started to warm up a little bit, and you put some stabilizer, fuel stabilizer in your gas tank. And I like to add something about what's it's like to own a bike, motorbike, on this particular topic I have today. Is it scary? Yes, of course it is scary, but you need a lot of guts to ride your bike, especially when I ride my bike on the street, because no matter how safe you are, there are always stupid motorists around, which you cannot, it's beyond of your control to avoid them. There are stupid motorists, and some are just really, you know, being disrespectful. So as much as possible, I ride my bike a little outside of the city, like countryside. You know, when you learn riding a motorcycle, it takes time until you get the flow and learn the basic safety operation of your motorcycle. There are also riders who ride their bike on winter. Only a few, I know. Anyway, having a motorcycle, I never regret buying one. I love it when I ride my bike. It's so enjoyable. You enjoy the weather, the scenery, the beauty of this country, especially outside the city. One thing that I like to try is to ride around downtown Toronto, which I haven't tried it yet, but I will make a vlog on it one day, maybe this year when I get a chance, and I hope I get one. Just I heard that downtown Toronto is really crowded. So much. I've seen an accident there before. This group of 4 bikers. They all have sports bike. One of them was doing the freewheeling, and I saw how his bike slipped on the rail track of the TTC, we call it TTC, Toronto Transit Corporation. I think I forgot what the C stands for. We call it TTC bus or streetcar. Streetcar is LRVs, like it's a light rail vehicle. They are similar to LRT trains back home in the Philippines, but this one is in the ground level, right? So the roads there in Toronto is the oldest streetcar still running in North America. Although they already modernized their vehicles, but they still have those streetcar system in Toronto or Toronto. So that's how dangerous it is when you're stunting your bike, doing some stunts along those roads with a rail track. If you're not being careful, that could happen to you, like what I saw. But within 5 minutes, fire truck came. That's what I like about this country. Fire station is strategically located in every city, especially those emergency vehicles, including the police stations, police vehicles. They could reach your accident area within minutes, within 5 minutes. Yeah, that's one of my experience here in Canada.